Vase Wicknell vaparura chokwadi pamusoro pezvakakonzera kurambana kwavo nemudzimai wavo wekutanga Sonja. Kubva kumakakatanwa emhuri, from family drama to his new romance with Lulu, Wicknell spills all the tea in his explosive response. Mhuri yeZimbabwe kusangana zvakare pachannel yenyu pano panonzi pano. Kana iri first time yako kuve pano, ndapota baya apo pakanzi subscribe nekulaika nekushare video rino iri kuti riendere mberi. So Wicknell vanyora kuti, let's set the record straight. Leaving Sonja was one of the hardest decisions I've ever made in my life. Not because I didn't love her, I did, but sometimes love isn't enough when you are drowning in chaos. Our marriage was plagued by irreconcilable differences, and the constant fighting with my family made it unbearable. Yes, Sonja struggled to get along with my late mother and my 6 sisters. Imagine that, a house full of women and non-stop clashes. It got to a point where I felt like I was in the middle of a war zone, fighting for someone who wasn't willing to meet me halfway. It wasn't just a marriage anymore, it was survival, and eventually it broke me. Don't get me wrong, Sonja is a great mother to our children, John and Minana, and despite everything, I still take care of her exceptionally well. Some people like to paint themselves as victims, but let me ask this. How many women out there can say their ex-husband paid 2 million rand for their Christmas holiday, Vietnam and Japan on my tab, and if that wasn't enough, I threw in an extra $100,000 for shopping. I make sure my kids are living their best lives. I call them every single day, no matter where they are. I will always love them, but let's be honest, there is only so much a man can take. You can't fight for someone who doesn't fight for you. And now, let's talk about Lulu. People have been talking, whispering lies that she was friends with my ex-wife or that she bought cakes from her. Let's shut that down right now. None of it is true. What is true is that Lulu has brought peace and joy back into my life. She's everything I need in a partner. Beautiful, respectful, and drama-free. Most importantly, she's embraced my faith as a follower of Masowe apostolic beliefs, something that's central to who I am. That's a game changer for me. To my critics, I say this, life moves on. I'm not here to settle for chaos when I deserve peace. And let me just add, there is a truckload of pedigree Brahman cattle headed to Lulu's father's farm in Marondera. This is serious business, not a fling. Marriage is on the horizon, and I've never been more sure of my choice. Let me tell you something. My decision to move on wasn't influenced by anyone but myself. Yes, family can have opinions, but at the end of the day, I'm the one building a home. I need a partner who stands by me, not someone who turns every family gathering into a battlefield. To those who think it's easy to walk away from a marriage, let me remind you, these decisions come with sacrifices, but I chose peace over chaos, and now with Lulu, I can finally breathe. From heartbreak to new beginnings, Vase Wicknell vari kuvaka chikamu chicha muupenyu hwavo. Love, faith, and family are at the center of his decisions. Mhuri yeZimbabwe munoiona sei iyi? Vase Wicknell vadurura zvose panhau yedivorce yavo. Hanzi Sonja ainyanya kunetsana nehama dzemurume. Ngatisangane mucomment section muchitaurawo pfungwa dzenyu.